Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I gotta be a little quiet because my dad's watching Arrow. But today I'm gonna be playing with my dog. Her favorite toy is this candy cane bone thing. So let's see if she wants to play. Come here, girl. I think she's licking herself. She's licking herself. Seriously. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. There's the bone. Wait, what are you doing? Come on. You want to play with the bone? Come on. Play with the bone. And if you don't know her breed is a Chihuahua. Yeah. She's a half-blood Chihuahua and half-blood of something else. Girl. Little girl. Come here. There's the bone. You want to play with the bone? Come on. There's the bone. Here's the bone. Here's the bone. Here's the bone. Come on. You don't want to play with the bone? Yeah. Also, what I like to do with her is put my hand under the covers and just do that to her. She loves to play like that. Oh gosh, she's biting. Okay, she's biting me. She's biting us. You're not gonna play, girl. Earlier, you wanted to play all the time. What's wrong, little girl? What's wrong? Yes, you're a good girl. She loves to be petted on the belly. Ah! He stole your covers, girl. What do you say about that? And you shut the door. Come here, girl. Come on, play. Earlier, you wanted to play. Whoa, sorry about that. Little girl. You have no more blanket because there's no more blanket on this. Come on, you gotta play. No? Whoa, whoa. Oh, get it, come on. Yeah, get it. Get it, get it. Come on, go get it. I love watching her get it. Come on, bring it back. Little girl. Come on, bring it back. Little girl. Bring it back. Now she's in the playing mood. Finally. Little girl. Ah! Little girl, give me the toy. Just enjoy that view of her playing with that toy. And while we at it, let's do some ASMR. Okay. Time's up, girl. Come on. Oh gosh, no, she's on my hand. Come on, girl, give it. You want it? You want it? Jeez. What the heck? Girl. You gotta like pet her a little bit so she can let it go. Here, I got a better idea. Yeah, when you squeak the toy, that like gives her more like heads up. There's a toy coming. So can I just have this back, girl? Can I please? Come on. No. Oh, jeez. Okay, girl. You want to play with it? You don't. You're done. You're tired. You tired? I touched you. Touch. Stop licking yourself. Yeah. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be my video for today. Hope you like it. I was just getting bored, so I guess I'll just make a random YouTube video playing with my dog. Or Chihuahua, whatever you want to call it. And yes, that is all for today, guys. See you soon.